Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can see steps on Apple Watch Series 10. So there are quite a few ways you can approach that. So if you would like to just check the amount of steps you had once, the quickest way to do that is to tap at the digital crown button, then launch the activity application or the fitness application rather, and then scroll down until you'll see the today section in front of your eyes, and here is shown how many steps you walked today. Then you can also set up a bunch of widgets that will show you the current step count, so you will always see how many steps you took today from the watch face. So let me quickly show you one at least. So go into watches, face gallery, and here let's look for the activity related watch faces. So for example, this one. Now you can select for the one of complications you have here to show the steps. Or you can just make it show rings, I guess, for that matter. But let me double check real quick. Yeah, this complication in particular, as far as I can see, does not allow you to directly put steps or to directly display the amount of steps you took. But I guess if you'll just go with, once again, the rings. I've lost those rings. Here it is. So activity rings. Yeah, so now I'll add this watch face real quick, and then I'll select it on my Apple Watch as well. And those rings will provide you with an easy way to check your steps like that. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.